welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing phenomenal and enjoying summer. And if you're new to my channel, hello, I'm Karina, and this is a paper craft and also an organizational channel. So if you're interested in watching this type of videos, stay tuned, click the subscribe button, and also tap that bell so you can get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you very much. And in today's video, I am going to show you a few things that I got at some Etsy shops, also the Planner Society, and Amazon as well. So let's go ahead and flip the camera so you can watch what I got. Okay, so I am here with the things that I received. So let's take a look at the Etsy shops. So the first Etsy shops, Wolford, and I ordered some summer ephemera, and it came really nice in this cardboard so it didn't bend. And look at this, came really cute. Trims, papers, and let me open this up. Buttons, I love this, thank you. And let's move around this. So this is it. Super cute. Look at that. A couple of Project Life cards. Very tropical. Super cute. Love these. And acetate, Summer Loving. Love that. And a couple of trims. Oh, and look at these flowers. I've never seen such a flower like that, like neon and teal. Buttons, jammies, some little knickknacks. So this is super cute. Let's take this other one. I just ordered this one too, While at Heart. That's the name of the kit. And I just love all the little things that contain this kit. And I'm gonna come closer so you guys can see better. Smile Sparkle. More Project Life cards. Flowers. Polaroids. And this one, so many people love you. Don't focus on those who do not. It's really cute. Sure, she was a sea, calm but deep. Nice. Another summer one, and I love these. Project Life cards. More. That. Super cute. Love these. Mermaid. And and then all the little trinkets, flowers, and cut apart face. I think it's really cute, right? And I'm gonna put this back, and I'm going to zoom out again. Boom, boom, boom. And this other Etsy shop, Melissa Elliott, and I ordered this other tropical ephemera collage, and you can see the collage. And here I got a thank you baggie. Let's see what I got. It's probably a goodie. Oh, the Etsy shop is Paper Craft Shack. And I'm gonna leave the links of these Etsy shops in the description box below. So these were the freebies that I got. A cute little envelope and a couple of mini stickies, paper craft. The Paper Craft Shack, you know, by Melissa. And now let's go ahead and take a look at paper Cherries from July, and it came with all these items. And look at the floss, look at the sequin mix. This is the most beautiful part too. These are like bikini die cuts in different colors, and the bows, and came with this gorgeous satin purple baggie with stars, confetti stars. And look at these. I just love it, love it, love it. Now let's take a look at Coco and Reno. So I purchased these. I'm not subscribed to this company yet. I just want to see the quality and try them. And they had the rosettes on sale, so I got them. And I'm definitely gonna try them. And I think they are super cute, super cute. Now, the Planner Society, they had also a sale. This is one of their past kits, and I love this baggie. And look at what it came with. These are like pockets, super, super cute. I just love it. Screams summer. And some tabs. Look at the pen, lemon pen, super cute. The washi tape, the sticky pad, so cute. And these are like tabbies too. Look at that. Hello, notes, to do week, today, to do. Super, super cute. And these are ephemera pieces or die cuts. And let's see what we got here. Okay, it's like summer. Look at that. Bicycle. Super cute. I love it. It's just summer. Scream summer. No rain. Very cute. And then this one. And I opened this one already, and these are like stickies for the planners. And I love these kind of embroidery patch. And these are probably sort of like bookmarks. Yeah, look at that. Big. Love it. Love it. Very cute. And of course the paper that goes along with everything. I'm gonna open these up. Open the paper. So there you go. And it's double-sided, so look at that. Nice flowers. This is acetate. Vellum. Vellum. Super, super duper cute. And last but not least, I got this punch from Fiskars, the bow tie. Finally, I'm gonna be able to make these tiny bows. And this is it. So if you like this video, just don't forget to hit the thumbs up, share this video with any of your friends and family. And if you haven't done so and would like to be subscribed, just don't forget to click the subscribe button and tap that bell so you can get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you very much. Thanks again for watching, my crafty friends, and see you on my next video. Bye.